So we finally found another cave out in the woods. We've rigged a rope down in here. As you can tell, pretty far out here. Got James, Venture Twins. We got Alex and Cade and a bunch of other people down there. We're gonna head in here and see what this looks like. Down into the pit. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're ready to go down now.
That's why I want to go the other way. That way. Go
On the ground, off rope. Trusty hand ascender. I got a smaller bag, dry box, extra batteries, and my trusty 8, and my full frog system is in there. I'm going to continue to wear my harness. They're all bearing off to the left. Are y'all out of pit?
Yeah, apparently there's how big do you think that pit is under here? 50 feet? No more than 40. Small pit. And then apparently there's a big room past that with probably more stuff here. I don't know that's up over here now.
I don't know, man. What do we need? Hold on.
Yeah.
All right. So nothing down there?
No.
Well, this is interesting. Is this the room?
This is the room.
All right, we're here.
We're gonna go up. Up and over.
Oh man. So far, I wouldn't even call it a vertical cave, but something might change my mind here in a minute, I'm hoping, when I see this room in front of me. Oh. And every map I've ever seen showed a, you know, almost at least a 200-foot drop in it.
There's no way you'd be able to use one 300-foot rope down through here.
Why not?
It doesn't make no sense. So that's very logical. Oh, dude.
So there's some straps over there.
Yeah, we're gonna hit those straps down there, I think.
That thing goes a long way that way. So we're rigged up, we're headed down. We got Mineral Dude coming down the road. We're gonna continue down into this pit. We got everybody hanging out around here, fixing this rope up. Yep. So we made it to the bottom of the first rope pile. I'm fixing to head on down this ledge with this waterfall right here. You can see it. The other person's already went off the last ledge down there. and I'll catch you on the road. So we're on this big old giant pit. We're headed down. Off-road! Yeah, we're at the bottom of the road, took all our gear off. We're headed in deeper, see what's fine. Brock!
Never mind, stop. Woo!
Rock!
No, man, it's like Donkey Kong.
Yeah,
I'm coming.
we're playing a good game of some DK. Woo!
I think it goes that way too.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, yeah, we gotta see what's up there though first.
Headed in.
Heading in. Yeah.
No, this is a good one.
Massive. Alright, you start going up, I'll go super.
I'll go up. It all looks like an exit. Yeah, it does. See all this black? That's leaf debris. Leaf debris from outside. See it over here? Millipedes and stuff over here. I mean, I could get over there, but man, coming back over that would be pretty intense. Whoa! How'd you get up there?
Well, there goes a $600 light.
I had it in a $5 bag and you...
I think it'll be okay.
How did you get up there?
Edward, look more left. That's a bunch of bats.
That's a bird. It is. How you gonna get anywhere near that?
Dude. Yeah, that's all bats right there.
Hey, is there a way...
Dude, look at them on the left.
There's probably way more than 30.
Is there light or anything? Sunlight coming out over here? My lights are off.
I legit thought that was like somebody else.
There's a lot of like outside debris pouring off this bank from under them bats.
No way.
I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, this looks sketch.
Yeah.
One at a time.
Dude, look at all the bats.
You want me to go first? Don't kill me. Y'all out of the way down there? Yeah, they kind of sound like, they look like, the light look like it's out of the way. Right.
Dude, look at all the bats.
This is not a spot to slip and fall. That one rock definitely moves under my feet. Whoa, that's a huge hole on that side. Well, that looks way easier to climb up and down. This is a huge hole though.
Look at that.
Wow. Where they see sunlight?
Hey, I'll cut the light.
That's gotta be it.
Oh yeah, I do see it now. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yes. Dude, we can probably go out that.
I think that's the dugout place.
We can make that. That's a long way from here. This is another volcano breakdown climb again, guys. Let's montage it. I just felt like our numbers dropped. Hey.
Taking the alternative route, I see.
Yeah, it looks better. Ooh, there's another big room under there.
Hey, hey! Let's find another light.
Over here somewhere. Or right there. I think we found another entrance. Oh wow. There's a rope.
Yeah, leaves, bunch of sticks. Is that outside? Yeah.
We're on the other side of the mountain.
Holy crap, yeah.
Oh, I see sunlight. How did that even happen? So we're gonna pull some of these bags up. I guess this is the end of this cave. You can catch everybody else at the links down below. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like, comment.